So we're in the forest with Dona Amalia, who is one of the makers of chambira handicrafts. Y cuando se corta así, ¿la planta crece o siempre queda?
Crece.
Crece, sí.
Crece. Va poniéndose más hojas, hasta el bicú. A eso le cortan.
Ajá.
Y luego va saliendo.
Ya.
Tú no te vas a sacar por ahí la chambira, te das cuenta que ya está más grande ya.
Yeah.
The production of handicrafts begins with the harvesting of the chambira palm tree. Veteran handicraft makers, like Amalia Curinunqui from Genaro Herrera, gathers a raw material by cutting one young stem of a palm with a machete. She then shakes, folds, and peels it apart into separate inner and outer layers. She then soaks the inner core in a strong solution of detergent and grapefruit juice to dissolve the soft plant tissues and leaves behind the strong bleached fibers. These fibers are then dried in the sun for several hours. Amalia and other women then weave this twine into various handicrafts, such as bags, boxes, and jewelry. The artisans of Genaro Herrera use all of their material very carefully. Nothing goes to waste. The tough outer layer of the stems are neatly woven into fans and hats.
Este es el achiote. Y este se le tiñe rojo.
Achiote, also called anato, is another plant commonly used in making handicrafts in this region. Artisans like Dora often grow this small tree in their backyard gardens to have it on hand. The oily seeds in the fruit pod are used to give chambira fiber an elegant red color.
And now Dora's going to show how she actually dyes her chambira fibers with these.
In the dyeing process, Dora puts achiote seeds in a pot of hot water to release their red color. She then puts in the chambira fiber and boils it in the mixture for several minutes, every now and then stirring and lifting the fibers up to examine the intensity of their new color. When it's just right, Dora removes the batch of chambira from the pot and hangs it up to dry.
Okay. Entonces, muestra primero el guisador.
Another plant that Dora uses to dye chambira is a plant called guisador, a relative of ginger. She also grows this in her garden and easily harvests the root to give fibers a brownish yellow tint. Dora grates the root into small pieces and then mixes it into a pot of water. Like the achiote preparation, she boils the dye and chambira over her fire until it reaches the right shade of yellow and then hangs it to dry. In addition to crafts made from chambira, many artisans make jewelry out of a variety of wild and domestic plant seeds. Several varieties of the wairuru tree have small red, large red, and radiant red and black seeds in their bean-like pods. It's easy for Dora to go to a favorite nearby tree to collect seeds from the ground. Opening these pods, however, can be a challenge for some visitors whose fingers aren't used to prying apart the tough shell.
It's hard to open them?
No, it's hot.
It's just hot.
And it is hard to open them because I don't have any nails.
Dora and others make a variety of earrings, bracelets, and necklaces from these shiny seeds. Lágrima de Virgen, the Virgin's tear, is a type of lily whose gray seeds are commonly used in native handicrafts throughout the Amazon. Its neutral color contrasts well with some of the more brightly colored seeds like wairuru. Achira is another lily that Dora grows to use its seeds in making handicrafts. Its matte black seeds are encased in a thin brown pod. These look nice in choker-type necklaces and bracelets. The seeds are strung along chambira fibers to make fun and colorful jewelry that young women in particular can enjoy. For more information on these plants, the artisans, and ways you can obtain any of these beautiful crafts, please visit the Center for Amazon Community Ecology's website, www.amazonecology.org. So please join the Center in supporting the artisans and families of Genaro Herrera and other traditional communities in the Amazon. Your help can help them improve their lives, conserve their forest, and strengthen their communities.